Freedom is not a right. Liberty is not a given. This city needs an iron fist to restore order. There shall be no resistance.
So we've got official confirmation that the open beta is actually happening, and we have the official reveal of the Last Man Battalion faction right here. They look badass. Hello there, my fellow open world gamers and agents. What's up? It's Robbie with Open World Games, and let's dive straight into it. So the open beta is happening. It's going to be February 19th through the 21st for everyone, but Xbox One players will have an exclusive access on February 18th. So since it is an open beta, you will not have to enter a code or pre-order the game to gain access to it. Sweet. So you'll go to your Uplay on your PC and then download it, and then also on your PSN on PS4, and then also Xbox Live on Xbox One, and then you'll just download it and play. Of course, since this is an online game, you might have to have PS Plus or Xbox Live Gold. I'm not too sure, but I would recommend it anyway. But yes, good to know that you will not need a code or have to pre-order. And it's going to include a new story mission in addition to the new content featured in the previous closed beta. So anyone that participated in the closed beta, well, guess what? There's something new for us. Yes, so that's really, really good to hear. And yes, Ubisoft did reveal the Last Man Battalion. And these guys look badass. They look like they are going to be the biggest threat in the game. And of course, you've got the Rikers, you've got the Cleaners, who want to burn everything in the city. But the Last Man Battalion are basically the direct counter to the Division. They almost seem like they want to form a new government out of this hellhole. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens with that. And by the way, you can check out the full-blown trailer without me talking over it by following the link in the description below. It's pretty badass. You definitely want to check it out. But guys, stay tuned for more Tom Clancy's Division here on Open World Games. Cannot wait to play with you all in the open beta. Expect live streams and extensive coverage here on Open World Games. Cannot freaking wait. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you soon enough in Mid-Crisis New York City. See you guys there.